Thank you for purchasing your new EZ Garage Storage Lift Pro. If you purchased our 400-pound load capacity storage lift, please watch the 400-pound storage lift installation video before beginning. Make sure you have all of the parts included in your box and the required tools. A ladder, one 18-volt cordless drill, a stud finder, safety glasses, tape measure, marking pencil, a simple standard socket set, a 3/16-inch drill bit, a rubber mallet and a level. Step 1. Mount the ceiling support rails. First, you'll want to put on your safety glasses to avoid any possible harm to your eyes. Begin by finding the ceiling joists. Use your stud finder to locate them. Most ceiling joists are 24 inches apart on center. After finding them using your stud finder, we recommend doing our drill test to ensure you find the exact center of the joist. Use a small drill bit and make a line of 5 to 7 holes to locate the edges of the joist. By missing the joist on each end, you can locate the exact center of it. You can mount the rails parallel or perpendicular to the ceiling joists. Parallel. Start by mounting 1/2 of any of the support rails. Use a 3/16-inch drill bit to pre-drill. Then, insert the lag screws through the holes and fasten. Insert the rail connector and match its first hole with the one on the tip of the rail. Fix in place using a bolt, but do not use a nut just yet. Attach the second half of the support rail, insert a bolt in the second hole of the connector and mount the rail using lag screws. Mount the second support rail at 48 inches from center to center and repeat the process. Perpendicular. Use the U-clamps to fasten securely. Remember to pre-drill before inserting the lag screws. Ensure your ceiling brackets are in line. Step 2. Install the axle rod assembly. Unwind the cables from the spools. Determine which side you want your gearbox to be on, and mount to the support rails. Fasten using nuts and your drill. Mount the second bracket to the support rails and extend the second axle rod through the bracket. Fasten the bolts on the axle rod. Secure the pin. Step 3. Route the cables. Feed the cables through the pulley brackets. Ensure each cable rests properly in the grooves of the wheels. Step 4. Assemble the frame. Assemble the frame using the connector and attach to the cables. Ensure that the cables are hanging straight down and installed into the proper holes. Installing the eye bolts in the wrong holes can create dangerous tension, possibly leading to bolt failure and damage to your storage system. Insert the support bars and secure them using the black plugs. The Storage Lift Pro holds up to 700 pounds of weight. Step 5. Leveling the frame. Make sure that your drill's battery is fully charged for maximum power. Ensure your drill is set to the highest torque setting, which is usually indicated by a drill bit. Insert the drill rod into your drill and tighten the chuck. When raising and lowering, it is important that your drill rod hangs perfectly vertical from the ceiling. Before leveling, raise the frame 2 to 3 full rotations. Check that the cables are spooling evenly on each drum. Use the turnbuckles to adjust and level the frame as needed. Use a level to fine-tune the height at each corner of the frame. Step 6. Final checks. Make sure all nuts and bolts are fully tightened. When loading the platform, start from the center of the frame and distribute weight evenly. Test the lift with at least 100 pounds of weight on the platform. It's critical that the first 3 rotations of the cable spool evenly and correctly. This ensures the lift operates smoothly and safely throughout its range of motion. Important usage guidelines. When raising the system, never raise the platform higher than 18 inches from the ceiling. When lowering the system, always leave at least 3 wraps of cable on the spool. This ensures the load is supported by the axle rod, not the cable clips. If you notice uneven spooling, unload the platform completely. Lower the system all the way down. Add 50 to 100 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Slowly raise the platform while closely monitoring the cable spooling. If the first 3 wraps are aligned and even, the system should continue to spool properly the rest of the way up. Load the platform again, always starting from the center. Our Storage Lift Pro lowers 8 feet from the ceiling, and our Storage Lift Pro Max lowers 11 feet from the ceiling. Great job, your installation is now complete. Enjoy your new organized garage.